hello everyone. So happy to be here. Okay. I have told about my reflection, the thought and the idea and the feeling from my heart about the modesty and the humbleness from the scientists and the doctors. So it is very hard to tell out the hormone that from the behavior and your future virtue you can just transform. So many kinds of these that is worth to be pressed. So that is very scarcely precious when a person can have such the virtue, the deeds. So we always can just understand and to realize how precious they are, and when the characteristic on a person that is definitely decide how the way, the style, the methods, how they to just exert or to do something, and the way they doing things decide the concluding the result. So we always respect the doctors and the scientists, but we still preserve for some part that people like to enjoy, to have the entertainment and just to relaxing, the showing of sometimes a little bit permitted, but just let those people to do. I believe still certain people like and maintain the original virtue they have. So that is why we talk about here are so many sorts of people in the world. People don't need to grasp or just occupy some certain people's characteristic or the way that they present. So that is very maybe I should just deliver just to appreciate and always remember to be apologetic. That will offer an opportunity that you can just instrument and some regret over your shortcoming flee. So you will discover how magic the world is. That is why I always told just remember one thing. Current time, you always hold on the hopeful and the promising wish in the future and the current time. The righteousness and the justice can always persist and insist on. That is why the world is just so spectacular. Okay, so today we have to solve questions. Let's see the question first. If you still remember the last one, the videos we talk about the chart, when here is maximum and the x is among a range, or the x is not among a range. So the maximum and the minimum comparison. So let's see the question. Seek for the maximum and the minimum from the following function. The first is y equals x squared plus 2x minus 1. The condition is the x among 0 and the negative 3. So another one is y is equal negative x squared plus 4x minus 1. X among 4 and 3. So that is very simple. You just draw the chart out and to pick up the range on the chart. So you will discover the maximum and the minimum. Okay, so the first, y is equal x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equal x plus 1 squared minus 1. It's equal x plus 1 squared minus 2. So when x is among 0 and negative 3, the chart is right. Okay, so here is negative 2 and here's 0 and so -3 So just when x equal -3, here is when x equal -1. Here is minimum -2. Okay, and okay, so the functions chart is here, so we can just know when the x is -1, here is -2 here, and the x is -3, the y is 2. So we draw the chart and to pick up the range x amount -3 to the 0. So here is the minimum and the maximum. Okay, so the second one is the same. Y is equal -x squared plus 4x minus 1 is equal -x plus 2 squared plus 3. When x is among 3 and 4. The chart is right. So when x is equal 3, here is maximum is 2. When x is equal 4, here is minimum is -1. Okay, and the following one. Here is a quadratic function. ax squared minus 8ax plus b. X is among 2 and 5. The maximum is 6. The minimum is -2. Seek for the value of a and b, but the a is positive. The a is positive. Okay, so so the f of x is equal ax squared minus 8ax plus b. So the function will equal a, leave out the x minus 4 squared plus minus 16a plus b. So we can just draw we can know by the chart. When x is among 2 to 5, so maximum is 6 is equal 4a So the maximum 6 is 4a minus 16a plus b equal f of 2. So the minimum is -2 is -16a plus b equal f of 4. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 to we can get a is equal to b is equal 13. So this is the answer. Okay, this is today's video. We just solved 2 questions that is all about the range. The chart is all the same formula. The difference is we pick up a range to discuss. So you just have to focus and notice on the range. The original maximum or minimum, that a is positive or a is negative, all the same. Only difference is when the x has a range, we have to discuss which side, which point is the other minimum or another maximum. That is all about. Okay, that is today's video. Hope you can have a wonderful time with me. We'll see next video. We still continue to solve another 2 questions. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.